Lily lived in a small apartment with no garden, but she loved flowers. Every day on her way to work, she'd pass by a beautiful flower shop, and her heart would ache with a little bit of sadness. One day, she decided to do something about it. She went to the store, and a kind lady with a warm smile helped her pick out a small, leafy plant. The woman told Lily it was called a succulent and was very easy to take care of. Lily took the little plant home and placed it on her windowsill. Every morning, she'd say good morning to it, and every evening, she'd give it a tiny bit of water. She was careful not to give it too much, as the store owner had warned her. A few weeks passed, and Lily noticed a tiny, new leaf growing on the plant. She was so excited she almost jumped for joy. Her little plant was happy. Months went by, and her small succulent grew bigger and bigger. Its leaves became fatter and greener. Lily started feeling happier too. She realized that even without a big garden, she could still have a piece of nature in her home. One sunny afternoon, she noticed something incredible. A small, pink bud was forming on her plant. Soon, it opened into a beautiful flower. Lily smiled. She had a green thumb after all, even in her tiny apartment. Her little plant had not only brightened her room but also her life.